Good evening, my dear friends. This is Tomal once again. Um, Welcome to PRCUMP. In today's session, we are going to discuss uh, regarding the spelling off or on, suggestion on, off or on. Suppose you are writing a particular mail in your from Gmail to someone, and you are making a little draft of that mail. Means you have having a body in that particular mail. Now, suppose you found that in two codes of writing, some spellings are there which you are making mistakes, but it's showing some automatical suggestion of the spellings. This is due to the fact that in the setting option of the Gmail, this particular spelling auto suggestion is on. If you put it off and then again log in, log out and log in, you will find that if you make some mistakes, it will not come. As this particular thing is on, so as this particular thing is on, so you can find it that making that particular error, it will show you some suggestion of which one you should consider. So in that way you can make the body error free from errors of spelling mistakes. In this way you can do these things. So this is all about the session. Thank you for being with us, and stay for more updates. My name is Tomal, representing senior PRCUMP. The official website is prccump.org.in. My email address is tastamal6@gmail.com. Call is 8420879158. Used to provide ban certificate, government certificate course on computer, provide technical course on C++ VB Java, provide maintenance, and also provide placement service. Please do call us for any suggestion. Thank you.